Hey class. Today we're going to work on multiplication practice with fractions. And we're going to first write each of the fractions as a sum of a unit fraction. So let's go ahead and do that first because I want to start off with 4/7. How would I break that up into unit fraction? Well, it would be 1/7 how many times? Our numerator tells us that, 4. 2, 3, and 4. So 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 equals 4/7. But now we want to talk about that in terms of a whole number in a unit fraction. So what I want you to notice here is how many 1/7 do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So couldn't I just do 4 times 1/7? Does that equal 4/7? Well, let's see. We do 4 times our numerator, so 4 times 1 is 4. And we do not multiply our numerator by our denominator, okay? Our denominator just stays the same, okay? All right, let's try another one. All right, let's go ahead and do 2/3. That's a pretty easy one. All right, if we want to split that up into unit fraction, how many thirds do we have? We have 2. 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 2/3. All right, if we wanted to put that into a whole number in a unit fraction, all we'd have to do is how many 1/3 do we have? We have 2. We'd multiply it by 1/3. 2 times 1 is 2. Our denominator stays the same. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? One more. This is a quick video. All right, let's go ahead and do 6/4. All right, so by looking at 6/4, we know that our unit fraction is going to be 1/4. And how many 1/4 are we going to have? Our numerator tells us that. We're going to have 6. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. I'm going to have to go to the next line. Plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Let me make sure I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. All right, so if we were to put that into a multiplication problem, how many 1/4 do I have? I have 6. And I'm going to multiply it by 1/4. 6 times 1 is 6. And my denominator is 4. Well, let's put that into a mixed number because we know that if the numerator is bigger than that denominator, we could go ahead and divide. So if we put our 4 here and our 6, how many times can 4 go into 6? 1 times 4 times 1 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So our mixed number then is, we have our 1 and we have 2 left over. 2, we look at that denominator, 2/4. So we could say 6/4 equals 1 and 2/4. Awesome. Bye.